ServiceTitan Cancellation isn't usually about clicking a button and walking away. Most of the rules depend on your contract terms, billing structure, and whether you're in an active subscription commitment. By the end of this, you'll understand how ServiceTitan Cancellation works, what can still charge you after cancellation, and how to avoid paying for time you're not using. Start with the core structure. ServiceTitan is an enterprise subscription platform. That means access is typically tied to a contract, not a flexible monthly app you turn on and off freely. So cancellation is really about ending a contract term, not just stopping usage. Now, look at timing. If you cancel before your contract ends, you may still be responsible for the remaining term depending on your agreement. If you cancel at the end of your term, access usually continues until the billing period expires. Next, consider billing cycles. Even after you request cancellation, billing doesn't always stop immediately. Charges usually follow the last completed billing cycle, not the cancellation request date. Now look at onboarding and implementation services. ServiceTitan often includes setup, migration, and training support during onboarding. Those services are typically considered completed once delivered, meaning you usually don't get refunds for that work, even if you cancel later. Next, think about data access after cancellation. Many enterprise software systems allow a limited window of access after cancellation for exporting data. That means you should plan ahead to download customer records, job histories, and financial reports before access fully ends. Now consider integrations. If your ServiceTitan account is connected to payment processors or accounting systems, those connections may continue to function until manually disconnected. That can create confusion if billing or reporting still appears active elsewhere. Next, look at notice requirements. Enterprise contracts often require advance notice before cancellation is processed. If notice is given too late in a billing cycle, cancellation may apply to the next term instead of immediately. Finally, understand the system. ServiceTitan Cancellation is governed by contract timing, billing cycles, and service completion rules, not a simple in-app switch. To sum it up, most cancellation situations come down to three things: whether you are still inside a contract term, how your billing cycle aligns with your request, and whether you've already received onboarding or implementation services. Next step is simple. Review your contract end date, submit cancellation notice early, and export all business data before your access window closes. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more ServiceTitan breakdowns, field service software guides, and simple explanations that help you avoid costly contract surprises.